Hi, my name's Wally, and this is my domain. This is Wally's Garage and Shop, where things gets done. On this first episode ever of Wally's Garage and Shop, we're going to take a look at the Scott's Lawn Tractor, manufactured by John Deere. 16 horsepower Kohler command engine, 42-inch cut with an automatic transmission, that being a hydrostatic drive. So, what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to pull out the complaint repair log for outdoor power equipment. We're going to find out what the complaints were and what repairs were taken. So the complaints were engine surging and backfiring through the carburetor. You put the tractor in drive and reverse. Tractor would go about 5 feet and die. When engaging the blades on the tractor, the engine would bog down. Also, the headlights wouldn't work. So what repairs and actions were taken? Alright, we got here, cleaned the carburetor. This stopped the engine surging and backfiring through the carburetor. Reconnected the seat safety switch. Now tractor will go in both drive and reverse without dying. Cleaning the carb was key in ensuring that the tractor would not bog down when the blades were engaged. And so, you know what I'd like to do? I want to go ahead and take this tractor for a spin and make sure everything's okay on it. Engage the blades. You know, I'm going to put on a pair of hearing protection. I don't like messing with my health. So I want to make sure when I get old and gray I still have hearing. So I'm going to put these headphones on. So let's go ahead and get this tractor fired up. Take it out for a spin. Engage the blades. And see what happens. Here we go. Sounds good. No surging, no popping. Alright, so let's engage the blades and see what happens. Blades engaged. Running good. Go around again. I love it when a good tractor runs good. John Deere, running like it should. Now I'm going to disengage the blade and get this puppy back to the shop. Now I'm going to let it idle for a short period of time, so when I turn it off it doesn't backfire. Excellent work. Tractor performs just like new. Look folks, this is a new channel, and I'm hoping to get 100 subscribers like real soon, alright? Can't stop shaking. Things shake, rattle, and roll. It's either because I'm nervous or because I've had a lot of caffeine today. Let's see if I can stop this thing from shaking so much. I'm sorry about that. I do have intention tremors and I'm taking medication for it. Maybe it's because I've had a lot of caffeine today. So if you would, please forgive me for having these tremors. But with everything said, look, let's make this painless as possible. Let's get me to 100 subscribers. All right? I'll be putting out the videos and you subscribe and you supply the subscribers. And I'm like this, folks. Subscribe to my channel. I will subscribe to yours. So what do you say? You rate, comment, and subscribe. All right? So with everything said, let's see you in the next episode of Wally's Garage and Shop. All right, it's been a fun time together. I've enjoyed it. So what do you say? Y'all be blessed and see you in the next episode. Have a good day. Goodbye.